What we they do here na something we don't become like an annual ritual. They call them the National Council of Power. This na avenue where all the stakeholders, all the people where they involved in power, from government side, from private side, from state governments and local government, they go meet so that they go fit talk about this issue of power where they affect all of us and how we go take solve them. So today na the fourth time we they do am. We started this about 4 years ago. So today na the fourth time we they do am. May all of us sit down, we rub mind, say how we go take solve this power challenge and which the progress we don't make, how we fit take sustain them, and the places where people still they complain, how we go take address them. So that now why we they meet here. So even today we they meet for Edo, Benin. And a lot of stakeholders we expect some they come. Most of them don't come. The governor self don't show face more. The minister will still come. A lot more people will come so that we go all sit down and see how we go take drive the sector. Right now, government don't try open up the space. The waiting they make way people they think say they fit they only get 8-hour light now because they rely on the distribution companies alone. And now this power matter no be only decentralized, no be only one person fit provide them. And these distribution companies then they try make people believe say now only them fit provide the electricity. So government don't open up the market now. They say anybody fit come in. If you want buy from solar people where they do solar projects, make they buy from them. If you want buy from the distribution company, make you buy from them. If anybody come talk say you want provide better service, you understand? So make they provide them because as it be now, most people they use generator. The distribution companies they go harass them, say why did they use generators. So if you now can't get better person, we won't give you electricity through solar or through hydro or through any other way. It's free now, everybody fit. So now they try talk. So this power, you know compulsory say it must just be 8 hours from the distribution companies. You fit get power from every other source. And many people now don't they open up the market, may they come in so that they go come invest and then they go come give power, serve people better than waiting what they get from distribution companies. But as you know, some of the distribution companies, they know they happy about them because they feel say they go hold us to ransom. And as government, we know if we sit down make because we know break NEPA, make as monopoly so that private monopoly go come take over. We break NEPA as monopoly so that investors go come in, invest and improve the service. And if the private people won't come for monopoly, make other people no come in, I may say, well, they be that too. So government no go stand shall make that kind of one happen. So we do everything we will do to ensure that more investors come in, especially for all these small mini grids, solar home systems. So if they do that, what they do for rural electrification agency, more if they give power to rural communities. People will be say the distribution companies don't even want to provide electricity to because they feel say they don't get money to pay or they feel say they know they get plenty money. And our own responsibility to be that. We also look at some markets, all these big markets. Governor don't come discuss with my managing director. See, what do you feel about some of the big markets where they do state? More provide 24 hours electricity to them so that they go feed they produce, their business go feed they move. Now some of the things we they also do, we don't come survey some, we go still start more. Then we provide small mini grids and solar home systems for communities around Edo and other parts of Nigeria as well. And then industrial clusters. Then universities still do what they do. Because government, if you say, if government build university, you're not supposed to wait for distribution companies, maybe they give them light anyhow way they like. We'll still build infrastructure for them in terms of electricity. So now what they do with that. So the things plenty what they do. More just they pray for so that we'll fit continue to serve on a better.